Hi there. On this video, I'll show you how to fix Snapchat Add Friends not working. To start, go to your settings. Once on your settings, look for Apps. Once you see it, tap on it. And then on Apps, search for Snapchat. Once you're in Snapchat, wait for it, go to Storage, and then click on Clear Cache. Then clear data. And then you can now go back to settings. Now you can close the settings tab. Once on settings, open and locate your Snapchat, and then click on uninstall. That's it. Then go to Google Play Store. Once in Google Play Store, search for Snapchat. Once you search for it, re-download Snapchat. That's it. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, subscribe.